Katanat Pathai Kubor Jong ka Sarkar ka Directorate of Information and Public Relations hakasi palay kalayo ayala ka jong ka office trikam bapura hadian saus nem ba ka trikam hakayeng bala susimwai ya kani ka office trikam ka bathamai ka badon halawala chumya lawan menteri do menteri katan IPR James K Sangma rengkat ka jindolang ka secretary IPR Kongmat Seudorwar Nongbri Director IPR ba BS Solia ki officer na kita trikam ba fer la ban ka daw hangni ba ya katay ka office trikam lasdang bantay house nem aja kan rio ha ka jinglut ka ba sipo klut steng Hakan ni kayeng thamai onbu langru ya ka office trekam jeng ka passport seva kendra civil task force Meghalaya editor and publisher association batru ka Shillong press club.
The DIPR office building will turn out to be one of the most prominent landmarks of Lower Lashmere in particular and Shillong city in general. And to know that the building is also accommodating a central government office, namely the office of the Passport Seva Kendra, the Shillong Press Club and others, the joy gets amplified considerably. The DIPR, being the press and publicity wing of the government, has a crucial role to play. And this role, not just in the day-to-day governance at various levels, up to the grassroots with the programs and the policies of the government, but also in highlighting all the different schemes that are being initiated by the government, implemented by the government. And these will be made accessible to the citizens of the state through its various units, including the press unit, the advertisement unit, the publication unit, the field publicity unit, the technical unit, and others. With changing times and evolving dynamics of communication, there is an urgent need to upscale our efforts at all levels in terms of service delivery in order to ensure that the visibility of the department is enhanced from what it is today. I believe that if we put all our heads together and with this new workspace, I'm sure we will be able to achieve and to bring about new interventions to augment the services of the department in the days to come. The recently introduced centralized system of payment of advertisement bills of different government departments, through which bills of all government departments are to be paid by the DIPR, has brought about an added responsibility to the department at the directorate and administrative levels. However, I believe that we all have the mettle to carry that load in the interest of all concerned stakeholders, particularly the media and press fraternity. The evolution of new media, namely social media, has brought about new challenges as well as opportunities to governance. I believe that reforms are to be effected in a phased manner in order to ensure sustainability of such reforms in the long run. Moving with the times and to supplement traditional forms of information dissemination, the department has ventured in the arena of social media by posting important government information through its official Facebook page, that is DIPR Meghalaya. And this is done on a day-to-day basis.
A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all.